polishing of the tooling, but it's better to look at...
These are injection molding machines here.
Yeah, this is for plastic production.
Right.
So, but let's go first at tooling because it's before...
Yeah, the tooling, correct.
So, when they design the tooling,
right?
Then there's several processes, right? So they buy the exact blocks of metal,
right?
Okay, with a little bit of processing already and heat treatment. Then we carve out right here.
Ah, okay.
There.
Yes, milling machine.
CNC milling, yes.
Right. Amazing. Wow.
So this one will basically remove some material. Okay?
Wow. Yep.
This one is different. This one, actually, we are machining the tools that are used somewhere else to make the tooling.
Yes.
Okay?
So okay.
This is for the, we don't see now, but you can, over there, you can see some. Okay, the electrodes in copper, but we'll see over there.
Okay.
So this is all copper. This is all hot steel, usually.
Right.
This is copper.
Amazing.
Then some other typical processes on tooling are EDM, so it's electrical discharge machine. Sorry.
Right.
So never come close.
Yeah.
Even though he's setting it now, he's doing the setup.
Yeah.
Because this is computer control.
Right.
So set up so he knows exactly where is the electrode and also where is the part of steel.
Oh, so he's programming it in now.
Then it will go beep, beep, beep like this.
Yeah.
And by using the electrode and basically electrical discharge, it creates a hole in the part.
Okay.
This is for some geometries that you cannot get with the milling machine.
Ah,
You can get
amazing.
something very specific, very intricate, very, very common. So we have two machines like this, and this one is working. Oh yes.
Wow.
This one is working, so don't get close. Electrical discharge, and it makes the hole in that very specific shape into the block of steel. And you can see some other electrodes here.
So, and this is used to make the mold.
Yes, to make holes into the
mold, exactly.
These ones are like never been used, just been machined.
So this is supposed to be the kind of replica of the final plastic that would come out of the mold.
Yes,
because
usually it's because the parts have this kind of shape.
Correct, yeah. Yes. Amazing.
Then,
but sorry, the tooling mold, these here,
yes. So they are kept
under lock and key.
Yeah. They are kept securely here.
Yeah.
These ones we do not make, so sometimes customers send us the tooling from their previous supplier, but the others these are we've made. Okay, so we store them here. This is a very specific kind of shelf. Actually this part comes held like this, and then you can use something to grab it.
A lifter, yeah.
Because you have the crane here.
Oh, question, maybe too technical, but when you open it up, the cavity,
Yeah.
right? Is that made by that thing that you're just making over
Yeah,
there?
these holes are inside.
Yeah.
So there's one side is the core and the other side is the cavity.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
One has to be aesthetically very nice,
Yeah.
and the other one usually does not need to be as nice, so you can push it with the ejection pins.
Yeah, yeah.
Because it always leaves a little bit of mark.
No. But the machining, the making of this, the machining you do over here?
That's the finishing.
Ah,
The finishing. Most of the work is done on the CNC milling machine
yeah.
and EDM and some grinding also.
Yeah.
At the back you have some grinders.
That's a lot of work. This is touring's a lot of work. Wow.
So here, you know, it's like at the dentist.
Yeah.
They put this kind of red substance, then they
Yeah.
put it in contact,
Yeah.
and they see where there is contact
Yeah.
and where there is no contact
Yeah.
to make it
Perfect.
very, very precise. Yes.
Right.
And he's doing some very end finishing work.
Amazing.
And you see everything, these big things, they're very, very heavy.
Yeah.
So everything is transported around with cranes.
Yeah.
It's quite important.
Yeah.
It's really like the dentist. You can hear,
Yeah.
you can hear the noise.
It's a good analogy
Yes, yes.
of being a dentist.
Every time I think of the dentist.
And that will make like a little smartwatch cavity, isn't it? You know? It's like for a
Something like that.
something
Correct.
very
correct.
small. Yeah.
Something like that. And all of them are marked. Okay. They all have some kind of mark
Yeah.
for unique identification.
Yeah.
This is something where you press and it's an alarm button basically.
Oh, after you've done 10,000 or 20,000 and the product's off the market, you can take that out and then make a new mold inside that. No,
Yeah.
you don't have to throw this away. This is more like a horseshoe and that.
Yes and no, it depends.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is hard steel and I think it's ABS and PC,
Yeah.
so it can go maybe 300,000 shots.
Okay.
After that you replace everything.
Everything. Okay.
Typically, yes.
Wow.
But yeah, I see what you mean. You're right. Sure.
So is there a specific recycler that comes and picks up your steel?
Of course. The steel, the copper, that's a lot of money. And also the plastic.